Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all. How about you guys? Okay, today's product it's called Auto Store. What is Auto Store? This is actually coming out on 17th of March. This is actually, as you can see here, I would say it's called Done For You Ecom Store. As you can see, it's a complete done for you solution. You should have heard about Gear Bubble. I'm not sure if you heard about Gear Bubble. Is what I can say is a Shopify alternative. Yeah, that's what I can say. Shopify. There are lots of alternatives are there, but this is like one of the competitors. I would say one of the competitors of Shopify. Like many people, they do love Shopify. They don't love Shopify, but this is like has been growing steadily. Gear Bubble, I know when I started Shopify, I know Gear Bubble were also doing well. So what Gear Bubble is, they do that. What do you call? In Shopify, the difference is that they give you the basic package like $29 or $79 per month, and then for the apps and whatever it is, you had to pay. You know what I mean? You had to pay for the extra apps. That's what the difference between that and the Gear Bubble is, that you get most of them apps and everything together as a bundle. Normally, actually, okay, before going to that comparison, just give you an idea what this one is. Actually, this new product, if you see, which is coming on 17th, Gear Bubble is there been always. But the difference is that I just want a reason why I was talking about the comparison between Shopify is this is what the difference is. If you see the Gear Bubble pricing, if you see $97 per month, and this is $297 per month. That is like a normal basic kind of store, and this is like a pro version of it. Per month, this is what their pricing is. If you go to Shopify, this is actually Gear Bubble. But if you go to Shopify, normally it is, as I said, it is 29, the very basic, and then normally the 79 is what many people use. 79 per month, and then extra, what is that, like they also have 297 for the advanced one, but you need to buy those extra apps and stuff. That's what makes a difference. But the reason why this new product, what is the difference is that that's what this interesting part actually. They're gonna give you this entire pro version, not just one license, two license. You're gonna get that Gear Bubble Pro version for a lifetime. Two lifetime license you're gonna get. That's what this new launch is like. They kind of like a promo which they are doing together. That's what, like, if you see, there's a complete done for e-commerce store created for your audience. We set up everything. Yeah, that's the best part actually. Gear Bubble, if you're a newbie, if you're a beginner, you might think Shopify to start. What they have done with this Gear Bubble Pro new version is like a promo, is that they give you the done for you products. That means you don't need to worry about researching products, where to sell, what to sell. And first of all, forget China. Okay, there's nothing like drop shipping. Okay, this is like completely like what I say is they're gonna keep adding products into your store, not like monthly, as well as mainly during these kind of the Mother's Day, Father's Day, Valentine's Day, all these kind of holidays. They keep pushing products into your store to make sure you get the latest demand products. You know what I mean? So you're not searching anything. You're not really, actually, it's like when I say done for you, normally they say they just do something and they give it to you. But this is like they're gonna keep doing, like, pushing products for you every time. And the most important thing is they promise you to give you a sale. That's a very interesting part actually. I'll show you here. So you're giving this lifetime license. You're getting two of them, and yeah, this is sorry, and they get done for you products to be pushed onto your store. And yeah, this is the cool part, because they promise you, they give you they give you two license. And yeah, this is what the interesting part, they give you $1,000 of value of the first product. I mean to say, like, normally you had to pay to buy the products, and although they showcase it in they display it in your store, and when the order comes you need to pay it, right? But for the $1,000 value of the product, you're not going to pay. That means only profit you're going to get. That means like you're saving $1,000 for the initial investment of inventory. That's the best part. And also they are going to train you on the Facebook ads and make sure you get the first sale. That's the really cool part. So, like, when you go through how they're doing the Facebook ads, and when they show you how to make that first sale, that is really, really valuable, guys. I know how happy you will be when you get the first sale. Then you learn how to do it. You know what I mean? So that's the cool part here, training. And the other part is this $1,000 value products for the initial, like I don't know how many other products you're gonna sell. Like for that $1,000 value, you're gonna just reap the profit. You know what I mean? So you're not spending on the inventory for the $1,000. That's really cool one. Okay, this is all part of the Gear Bubble Pro, or like a promotion, I would say, like a 2 lifetime license you're getting with this one. And that's what they promoting it as auto store. Okay, so I showed you the price which they are normally doing, and this is like a lifetime license you're getting. So that's really a cool part. Okay, now the best I mean, the price, this is where you need to be kind of the value which you're getting is, if you see, you would have understand how much you're saving on this, all these prize money. That's why they made it like a one-time price. Here we go, the price, I need to reveal it, 1997. Okay, cool. It's a high ticket product. Okay, so this is not for everybody, but if you're a newbie, if you're a beginner, and if you really wanted to learn, like, the drop shipping, I wouldn't say drop shipping, because that's why I said you don't need to worry about China. Reason is, this is all like kind of gonna be US based. Like, reason is, it's their own product. Yeah, I need to show you the product actually, just to give you an idea, if you're first time you have not seen about, just to give you an idea how it looks like, the store and stuff. Let me open the other stores as well. This is like sample stores, how you will be getting it. It's like everything done for you, given to you. You can see this. These are all like t-shirts, what is this, bangles kind of thing, like hoodies, chains, like all these are all made in USA. So it's gonna be, as soon as order comes, it's gonna be shipped from the US drop shipping store to your customer. So you no need to worry about China. Okay, so that's the best part here. I like it, because normally drop shipping, mostly they start with the beginners. They always start with the China, and then once the bed's going selling very good, they bring it everything to China in US, and then they do a drop shipping. But this is like, these people are there with this industry like for a long time, so they know what they're doing. That's what they put together. So this is, you can see other store, you can see this other store, family demo store. They have done the demo stores. So just give you an example how it is going to be. And the good part, what they are suggesting is, they give you a warranty as well. Like, I mean, this is like, like FAQ, I would say. No, as I said, that the sales page is not ready. This is like way before I just got access. I just wanted to show you what you're going to get, what is coming soon. So if you ever thought of Shopify, or you wanted to go into e-commerce, this is really attractive. And good part, I would say, is they're not giving you done for your store, and they're giving you that Facebook training. That is the most important way they drive traffic to get sales. And the good part is, the first $1,000 you're saving. Like, I mean, you're paying 1997, that's true, but the $1,000, that means, at least imagine, at least you can reap the benefit of $1,000 or $1,500 or $2,000 as a profit. Of course, the reason is, you can see the $7 or $8, how much ever the profit per each item. You can just, even $5 if you keep, surely, you're getting like the depends upon the value of the, profit. Minimum 1,500, 2,000, you're gonna get it as a sale. Since they're saying the $1,000 is gonna be on them, on the value of the inventory. So that is really a very good offer you're getting. Anyway, as I said, this is not for everybody. For people who really are interested into e-commerce, this could be a place to kickstart the journey and learn from these guys. And of course, going forward, you can, how you can progress the way as I said, in terms of pricing, it's like, imagine the $297 per month till 1 year itself is a huge money. But this is like a one-time lifetime license you're getting. That's like, they don't do this such kind of promotion like once in a blue moon they do that. So this is really a cool offer to kickstart your e-com journey. That's what I would say. Okay, that's it, guys. That's 1997. As I said, compared to this one, what is in the market now, it's really a lifetime license is always like really valuable. If you're into, as I said, it's not for everybody. People who are really want to go deep into e-com, this could be the way to start your journey. That's it, guys. That's I just wanted to give you a heads up, but might be When I get more info towards the closing near the date of 17th March, I will do another video if possible. If any new information on this, any promos, I will keep you updated. But if you're interested, click the link below and you can get this product. And they're gonna have lots of cool bonuses as well, but I will also add some of my bonuses which I didn't put together now. But anyway, I just wanted to give you a heads up on this video regarding this new product which is coming, which is really at a high ticket program, but it grabbed my eyes because they're giving this a lifetime license. That's like I've been promoting a product called Group Pages, which is like, I pay for ClickFunnels $297 per month every month, but that's different, but when I came across Group Pages, it's like you save a lot of money. Like one time you pay like $400, $497, and whatever the features you've been able to do it on that platform. But yeah, they're still developing stage. Actually, they are like on a beta stage, but I've been promoting it to but I have access as well. So it's when we get that chance, I really like to grab that opportunity of lifetime license, which is really going to help you a lot, like save you a lot down the line. That's it, guys. That's this is my page. Actually, I put together on my website. I'll be putting this. You can see this is what I for the pro license, what I can done for you: traffic and sales, fast action bonus, pro lifetime license. Second, yeah, you get 2 license done for your products, done for your auto store setup, done for your ads, yeah, group coaching. Everything is included in this done for you e-com store. So if you like it, click the link below and you can get it. I'll keep you updated, guys, near the launch. So in case any promos, any offers, I'll add it along with this. That's it, guys. Thanks a lot for your time. See you in the next video. Bye.